In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to Microsoft Forms. This process allows you to collaborate with others, making it easier to gather input and insights. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the search bar, type Microsoft Forms and hit Enter. You will see a list of results. Look for the official Microsoft Forms link in the search results. This step is essential because it ensures you are accessing the correct site, which is safe and secure. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. This link will typically lead you to the Microsoft Forms homepage. If you are not already signed in, a login screen will appear. Enter your Microsoft account credentials, your email and password. If you are using a work account, make sure to use the correct organizational email. Logging in gives you access to your forms and settings, ensuring that you can manage your forms effectively. After logging in, open your form. You will see a dashboard displaying your existing forms. Click on the form you want to collaborate on. This is crucial because only the form you select will be shared with collaborators. Once you open it, you will see the form's design and settings. Familiarizing yourself with the form will help you manage your collaborators effectively. Now, click the More Form Settings icon in the top right corner, next to the Present button. This icon looks like three horizontal dots. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. This step is important as it leads you to additional options that control how your form behaves and how you can share it. You will find various settings that help you customize the form further. From there, select Collaborate or Duplicate from the drop-down menu. By choosing Collaborate, you are preparing to invite others to work on the form with you. This option enables multiple users to edit and contribute to the form simultaneously. It enhances teamwork and allows for diverse input. Selecting Duplicate would create a copy of the form, which is not needed at this stage. Next, under Add Collaborators, click on Share the link to collaborate and view results. This option will present you with a link that allows others to access the form. It is a key step in collaborating effectively. By sharing this link, your collaborators can view and edit the form as needed. This streamlines the collaboration process, making it efficient for everyone involved. Finally, click Copy next to the generated link. Once you copy the link, you can share it with your coworkers via email, Teams chat, or Outlook. This is how you distribute access to your collaborators. Sharing this URL is crucial, as it ensures that everyone you invite can participate in the form's development and analysis. You have now successfully added collaborators to your Microsoft Forms. This process not only facilitates teamwork, but also enhances the quality of data collection. Thank you for following along. Happy collaborating!